Hi guys, it's Rai. Come and join us to try the new green car of Omiline. Galing pala kami nito sa Akishima guys to process our tax documents. So we decided to try the green car pa uwi. It is an ordinary train but with a first class transit guys, which is called green car here in Japan. Kung introvert ka, ayaw mo ng maingay at maraming tao at gusto mo maupo comfortably, you must avail the green car guys. But with extra charges to siya guys sa mga nasa 1,100 yen plus the ordinary fare na binabayaran mo. We enjoyed our drink while nakasakay and napaka-peaceful without the crowd guys. Take out lang pala yung drinks namin guys, but sa loob ng green car may bentang foods guys, dala-dala ng conductor like beer, soft drinks, and junk foods. So ayan, inayos ko na yung table guys kasi malapit na kaming bumaba. Hanggang dito lang muna tayo guys. Hanggang sa next vlog natin. Thank you. Bye!